Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So guys, I will not waste your time. I want to start this video fast because it is very interesting for you. Because in this video we are going to talking about what is Tor, what is dark web, how to use Tor and how to access the dark web. So this video is very interesting for you, so I want to start this video fast. Tor is an anonymity network that hides your identity as you browse the web, share content and engage in other online activities. It encrypts any data sent from your computer so that no one can see who or where you are, even when you are logged into a website. It is a critical part of the dark web and hosts around 30,000 of networks hidden sites. And guys, if you want to know how to access the dark web, you first want to know the difference between dark web and the deep web and whether dark web is safe or not. Dark web is created in mid-90s by military researchers in US. The technology which paved the way for what is now known as the dark web. It was used by intelligence officers to share files. The initial platform was called Tor, which stands for the Onion Router. The easiest way to use Tor is through its dedicated browser, which can be available for Windows or Linux. Tor can be run from a USB stick if you don't want to install it on. The Tor browser is based on Firefox or security that could be compromise your privacy. To access the dark web, you need an proxy network. The two most popular tools in this particular toolbox are Tor and One2P. You can find it through breakdown of difference between the two. For the purpose of this guide, we'll go with Tor as it's the most widely used. Guys, I am really sorry because TV problem in voiceover, so I try to explain you, but I don't think I make to explain. So please, if you learn something from this video, please support me guys. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel if you are new. Please try to support me guys. Guys, I am practicing it now, so please try to support me guys. I'll meet you in next video. So bye and take care, and guys be safe from COVID-19.